Today we have a smartphone for unboxing, Galaxy S21 FE by Samsung. The pin for removing the SIM tray, paperwork with some basic information about the device, no charger in the box. So if you are thinking to buy this phone, you will need to buy a charger in case you don't already have one. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. It can charge maximum at 25 watts. It's very light on hand. The bag is plastic, but it's different kind of plastic. The sides are from aluminum. It has only Type-C connection for charging and connecting headset or other devices. And it doesn't have any screen protector installed by the factory. Let's do the first boot.